Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting. Countries that will actually pay you to live there. I'm talking thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars just to pack your bags and move. Can you believe it? We're talking stunning villages in Italy, beaches in Spain, the Swiss Alps, all offering incredible incentives to become a resident. Forget winning the lottery. This is your ticket to a life of adventure. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready for some serious wanderlust, because we're about to reveal the top 10 countries ready to pay you to live your best life. Let's get started. First up, we're heading to Italy, the land of pasta, pizza, and free money. You heard that right. The charming town of Candela in southern Italy is desperate to boost its dwindling population, and they're willing to pay big bucks for it. I'm talking up to 2,000 euros, that's over $2,000 in US dollars, just for you to call this picturesque town home. Imagine strolling through sun-drenched piazzas, indulging in delicious Italian food, all while getting paid. To qualify, you need to become a resident and have a job lined up that pays a certain amount. But hey, with that kind of cash incentive, finding a job in Italy suddenly seems a lot more appealing, right? Candela is known for its stunning architecture, friendly locals, and laid-back lifestyle. Plus, with that extra cash, you can explore all that Italy has to offer. Think about it. Weekend trips to Rome, gondola rides in Venice, sipping wine in Tuscany. The possibilities are endless. So ditch the daily grind and embrace la dolce vita in Candela. Next up, we're jetting off to Spain, where the sun is always shining and the sangria flows freely. But hold on, because it gets even better. The village of Ponga in northwestern Spain is offering a unique incentive to attract new residents, especially young couples looking to start a family. They're offering a whopping 3,000 euros, that's over $3,300, to couples who move there and have a baby. That's right, you can get paid to grow your family in a stunning Spanish village. Ponga is nestled in the heart of the Picos de Europa National Park, surrounded by breathtaking mountains and lush greenery. Imagine raising your kids in this idyllic setting where they can breathe fresh air, explore the great outdoors, and learn about Spanish culture firsthand. But that's not all. Ponga is also offering additional financial assistance for each child born to families living there. They're serious about boosting their population and creating a thriving community, so if you're dreaming of starting or expanding your family in a beautiful and affordable location, Ponga might just be the perfect place for you. Get ready to pack your bags and brush up on your German, because we're heading to Switzerland. Nestled high in the Swiss Alps, the picturesque village of Albanen is facing a population crisis. With only a handful of residents left, they're desperate to attract new blood, and they're willing to pay a hefty price for it. How does $25,000 per adult and $10,000 per child sound? That's right, Albanen is offering a whopping $70,000 for a family of 4 to relocate. But there's a catch. You have to be under 45 years old and commit to staying in Albanen for at least 10 years. But hey, with views like this, who wouldn't want to stay forever? Imagine waking up to the crisp mountain air, hitting the slopes in winter, and hiking through wildflowers in summer. Albanen offers a peaceful and idyllic lifestyle, far from the hustle and bustle of city life. Plus, with that relocation bonus, you could buy a cozy chalet and live comfortably in one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Calling all entrepreneurs and innovators. Our next stop takes us to Chile, a country known for its stunning landscapes and booming startup scene. And if you've ever dreamed of launching your own business, Chile wants to make it happen. Through their amazing program called Startup Chile, you can receive up to $40,000 in equity-free funding to get your business off the ground. That's right, no strings attached. Plus, you'll get a 1-year visa to live and work in Chile, access to mentors and investors, and a chance to be part of a thriving entrepreneurial community. Chile is a country that embraces innovation and creativity, making it the perfect environment to turn your big ideas into reality. From the bustling capital of Santiago to the stunning Atacama Desert, Chile offers a diverse and inspiring backdrop for your startup journey. So ditch the 9-to-5 grind and let Chile help you achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. Next up, we're heading to the Emerald Isle, a land of rolling green hills, friendly locals, and of course, Guinness. But Ireland isn't just a pretty face, it's also a hub for innovation and entrepreneurship. And if you're looking to launch a startup, Ireland has some amazing programs to help you succeed. Through Enterprise Ireland, you can access a range of supports, including funding, mentoring, and networking opportunities. They offer various grants and funding options specifically designed to help startups grow and scale their businesses. Imagine setting up shop in Dublin, a vibrant and cosmopolitan city with a thriving tech scene. Or maybe you'd prefer the charm of Galway, a city known for its arts and culture. Whatever your vision, Ireland has the resources and support to help you turn it into a reality. Plus, with its rich history, stunning scenery, and warm hospitality, Ireland is an incredible place to live and work. Calling all adventurers and nature lovers. Our next stop takes us to New Zealand, a country renowned for its breathtaking landscapes from snow-capped mountains to pristine beaches. And if you've ever dreamed of calling this paradise home, New Zealand is making it easier than ever to make the move. Through the Look-See Wellington program, they're inviting skilled professionals from around the world to experience all that Wellington has to offer. You'll get the chance to attend job interviews, network with potential employers, and explore the city's vibrant culture. Imagine hiking through ancient forests in the morning, enjoying a coffee break with stunning harbor views, and attending a rugby match with passionate locals. Wellington offers a unique blend of urban excitement and natural beauty, making it an ideal place to live, work, and play. And with the Look-See Wellington program, you can experience it all firsthand before making the big move. Get ready to embrace the great outdoors because we're heading to Canada. This vast and beautiful country is known for its friendly people, stunning scenery, and welcoming immigration policies. And if you're looking to escape the city and embrace a more rural lifestyle, Canada's Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot is for you. This program is specifically designed to attract skilled workers to smaller communities across Canada. With a job offer in hand and a community endorsement, you could be well on your way to becoming a permanent resident of Canada. Imagine waking up to the sound of birdsong, breathing in the fresh air, and exploring vast forests and sparkling lakes. Canada's rural communities offer a peaceful and welcoming environment, with a strong sense of community spirit. Plus, with this program you'll have the support you need to settle in and build a new life for yourself in the Great White North. Calling all digital nomads and remote workers. Our next stop takes us to Portugal, a country known for its stunning beaches, delicious food, and affordable cost of living. And if you're tired of the daily grind and dream of working from paradise, the Madeira Islands have just what you need. This archipelago off the coast of Portugal is offering a unique opportunity for remote workers to live and work in a stunning location. Through their Digital Nomad Village program, you can enjoy high-speed internet, co-working spaces, and a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Imagine working from your laptop with a view of the Atlantic Ocean, taking a midday surf break, and enjoying fresh seafood dinners with new friends. Madeira offers a relaxed and inspiring environment to boost your productivity and enhance your work-life balance. So pack your bags, grab your laptop, and get ready to experience the ultimate remote work lifestyle in Portugal. Get ready to step back in time and embrace island life because we're heading to Greece. The tiny island of Antikythera, nestled between Crete and Kythera, is facing a population crisis. With only a handful of residents left, they're desperate to attract new families to their shores, and they're willing to go to great lengths to make it happen. How does a free house and a monthly stipend of €500 sound? That's right. Antikythera is offering this incredible package to families willing to relocate and help revitalize their community. Imagine living in a traditional Greek home, waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, and enjoying fresh seafood dinners with breathtaking sunsets. Antikythera offers a peaceful and idyllic lifestyle, far from the crowds and chaos of modern life. Plus, with the monthly stipend, you'll have some extra cash to explore all that this beautiful island has to offer. We're ending our journey right here in the United States, in the heart of Oklahoma. Tulsa, a city known for its Art Deco architecture and vibrant culture, is offering a unique opportunity for remote workers to call it home. Through the Tulsa Remote program, you can receive $10,000 and other perks to relocate to Tulsa and work remotely. That's right, they'll pay you to live and work in their city. Tulsa is investing in remote workers to diversify its economy and attract talented individuals. You'll get access to co-working spaces, networking events, and a supportive community of fellow remote workers. Imagine exploring Tulsa's vibrant art scene, enjoying delicious barbecue, and taking advantage of the city's affordable cost of living. Tulsa offers a unique blend of urban amenities and southern charm, making it an ideal place to embrace the remote work lifestyle. Wow, can you believe these incredible opportunities? From charming Italian villages to bustling Canadian cities, there's a place out there ready to pay you to live your dream life. So what are you waiting for? Start researching, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure. Who knows, you might just find your new home in one of these amazing countries. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.